Miguel here, the quick video. This video is on a burnt fuse box on the Volkswagen GTI. This is a 1.8T 2003. So basically what I did was I changed the box over here, and then I changed this alternator cable. It's supposed to fix all of the stuff over here. Basically I ran it through. You got to cut 3 zip ties to get it loose. Alternator connection nut right here, and then 2 more connectors, this and this. In the process I did break this the secondary air injection line, so I'm gonna have to do some sort of a repair for it. But for the most part, the installation is very annoying because of the clips that you actually have to go through over there. And so now I'm going to put the battery back and put the whole car back to put the car back together. This is the old alternator line. It was burning up over here, as you can see. My buddy says there might be too much resistance in the wire for it to do anything else, so I decided to replace it. I don't know if this is an OEM one. It looks like it, but I guess after 20 years they do go out. I'm gonna put Amazon links on the description for the parts that I use for this, and then we'll be doing updates or answering questions on the comments section. It's fairly easy. I didn't want to bother my buddy, who's also my mechanic, to do this for me, because he's already done so much on this car for me. I wanted to do something for myself, and that's pretty much it. This was $54 on Amazon, and then this was the $13 one. I want to see if it works, or no, I think this one is a $20 one. And yeah, I'll put the link on the description, and that should be it. Thanks for watching.